Hey y'all, so we are getting ready to head to the store. Tony, say what's up.
Chatting people.
So my camera's a little broke. It's not broke, but the screw.
Oh man, that's a different kind of screw.
My screw came out of my camera. So I know a lot of people that have these cameras have the same issue, and I know some of them just get like the eyeglass case that has the screws in it, the little small ones. So I think that's what I'm gonna have to do, but we're getting ready to go grocery shopping, and I'm gonna take you guys along with us, and then we'll come home and we'll do a grocery store haul. So that's what today's video will be. And this is the outfit of the night. I just woke up from a nap too, y'all. I'm so tired. Now this guy harassed me. Look at the Christmas tree. Oh, look at this one. This one looks so red. This one looks weird. But this is a sockeye sign. I've never heard of that before. Look at these. These are so cool. Pretzel bread bites. Now this is the bread that Popeyes use to make their chicken sandwiches. We're gonna try to make our own soon. Oh look. This is my favorite ice cream. I like the regular ice cream better, but Ryder's butter pecan. Oh my god. Oh look. Butter almond. But I like the plain. But I'm not getting no ice cream though. I need some celery, but I don't want to get this big thing of celery. This looks disgusting. Maybe I can get this one. I guess. Oh, we got so much stuff. Oh, I could get the little small ones. I didn't know they had like little mini ones like this. Oh yeah, you love those, ain't it? Yeah, you go. Okay, y'all, so let me get some soap. This is the one that I always get, but I like the other ones too. I like this one. This one is nice. And oh, I never tried this one before. I've never even smelled this one. Let me smell it. This one smells good, y'all. I might get this one instead. I think I'm gonna try this one. This one smells nice. I walk back here. Y'all, they got like all the Christmas stuff out, like everything. So I'm thinking, oh, this is just a quick little set. I'm gonna pull my Christmas tree out today and see if I like it or not. If not, then I'll get a bigger one. But I'm not too sure. Oh, I really like this one. This one is pretty. But yeah, y'all remember last year the one I had was like really skinny because I was into that last year. So let's see. I don't know where Tony done went. People are looking at me. I look at this one. This one is cute. Y'all, so last year we did a gingerbread house, so we'll be doing this soon. I'm not gonna buy one today, but during Vlogmas, you guys will be seeing us build a gingerbread house during Vlogmas. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna show you guys the meat first because I don't have that much room up here. So we got these chicken wings, some sway fish. This is my favorite fish to fry. It's really good, but I don't like the way that it tastes baked. This isn't meat, but it's up here. I got some shredded hash browns because I want to do some loaded hash browns for breakfast. Tony's back at it with these Nathan hot dogs. I did try them the last time. I didn't really like them, but Tony loves them. Got some of the Hillshire Farm beef smoked sausage. Some ground turkey meat. Some chicken breast. Some stew meat. And then these are some pork chops. So that is it for the meat. Alright, y'all, so here is the rest of the stuff. So Tony ended up picking up his favorite ice cream, which is the Fudge Tracks.
Little Tony.
Yeah, this is for little Tony. Some beef broth, my favorite mini cucumbers. Is this top off? Why is it two tops on this? That's a little weird. This is some of the pomegranates, some mangoes that I can eat with my tahini seasoning, some grapefruit, some of the Oscar Mayer honey smoked turkey breast, tartar sauce, complete seasoning, my favorite yellow rice. We got some Hot Pockets. I got the garlic chicken white pizza. Tony bought me these the other day. They were really good. And then the chicken pot pie, just when I want a snack. Some cheese. Got some celery, grapes, some mushrooms. Y'all have to try these. If y'all like fried mushrooms, try these. They are so good. We got some of the Nature Valley sweet and salty granola bars. These are mine. And these are for little Tony. He get the peanut butter and dark chocolate protein bars. Some bread. Coke Zero. I got 4 cans of green beans, 4 cans of corn. Tony got some ravioli. I bought some, let me let it focus. Hold on. Some diced tomatoes because I plan on making some chili for the first time ever. I've never made chili before. So, I bought the dark kidney beans and some of this. So, hopefully this tastes pretty good because like I said, I really didn't know what to buy because I've never made it before. So, bought some water, some Simply Limeade. Tony's trying these extra flaming hot crunchy chips. Y'all let me know if y'all have tried these before. These are for me, some baked ruffles. And y'all, I ended up getting a different body wash this time. So this is the pear and aloe vera scent. It smells really good. So this is my first time trying this one. And Tony got the Irish Spring Active Refresh. Can y'all see it? This is the one that Tony picked up. So this one smells really good. You haven't had this one in a while, Tony. Oh, this for little Tony. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. So yeah, that is it for the grocery store haul.